So let me just restart. So I'm Ankit, co-founder at Scienzy. We are a RegTech startup, and the problem we are trying to solve is make risk and compliance real time. Today we work with almost 51 financial institutions in Asia, including the largest public sector and private sector bank in India. We onboard 350,000 end consumers every month for these customers, and we've won awards from the Indian regulator RBI and the Singapore regulator MAS. Um, so to set a context, there is this great anomaly in banking today that while e-commerce, the product is physical, the actual transportation of the product is physical, the experience of the consumer is truly digital and great. While in banking, the actual product is digital, transportation, transfer of money is theoretically digital, the consumer experience is broken, he really doesn't feel like this is something that he's seeing on Netflix and Amazon. And why is that? It's because while banking and everyone else has understood we need to have digital interaction, which means a mobile app, which means a web app, which means chat, what they haven't been able to do well is that operations is still a manual silo-based process. And it requires time to give back decisions to the customer. And that is the core reason why the consumer experience is still not as good as a Amazon or Netflix. And that is the problem we solve by converting these manual step-based processes into AI bots so that the decisions from the back operations can be brought in real time. 3 products allow us to do that. I'll just briefly take you through them. So the first is bank-grade KYC in real time. What it means is you can onboard individuals and corporates using technologies such as document recognition, facial recognition, document and video forgery. Of course, there isn't enough time to go into more details, but the goal is you're not doing anything different. You're just converting what people were doing into into AI bots rather than doing shortcuts such as SMS and OTP. Next, because you are a regulated entity, you need to look at AML CFT, and false positive is a big issue, and that leads to breakage, leads to manual intervention. AI-based classification of false positives leads to, again, elimination of this extra leg of an AML CFT desk in the system. And the third thing, which is not always well put forward, is that back operations needs to also undergo a user experience change. The back operations team needs to see a visual dashboard where they can make decisions very, very fast versus their today, quite frankly, really broken systems. So these 3 are the key elements that we have seen have allowed banks to cut down their turnaround times from weeks to minutes and form key features of the product. What it leads to for the bank, an amazing user experience. Your dropout rates on digital go down phenomenally. We have seen customers who today now do 60% of their onboardings digital, not just individuals, but even small merchants and SMEs. And the salespeople actually push digital because the experience is so great. It's more safe actually than traditional because when the data is getting passed from only digital system to digital system, you have an audit trail, you can control it, you can make sure that the latest regulations are being followed. You don't have to retrain teams, you don't have to retrain people to actually understand the laws. And fast integration. So we'll go that into the last slide where Oracle comes in, is that if you are on API banking, you can actually go live in weeks and not in months. So just to give a brief background, so the current system looks something like this, totally broken. And post-implementation of this, post-implementation, it breaks down into 2 simple engines, an origination engine, which allows great consumer experience, gets integrated within your front-end apps, and a risk decision engine, which integrates with core banking and CRM, and whenever a decision, and integrates with external third-party data services, and tells core banking to open an account, and tells CRM to tell the customer that your account is open. So now this is where banking APIs come in. So if your banking API ready, then and you just have to now go and apply a risk engine and an origination engine, your time to market is in weeks because everything else is built in. So if you're live through Oracle banking APIs, and we already have an integration with them, you don't have to have a month or a year digital transformation. Your digital transformation can just be mere weeks.